unfortunately, a lot of your players, you've got another of your...
I was waiting for him
come,
only.
come. Another Pakistani fan has come here. What do you have to say? Pretty disappointing today.
Very, very disappointing, but to be honest, this is something we were expecting. And every time we travel to watch India and Pakistan, we have our hopes very, very high. But that will not stop us from traveling again. Let's say the rivalry which has been there for decades, and we really hope that rivalry becomes competitive again.
Like the 90s with, we had Wasim Wakar, Inzamam, Saeed Anwar, these type of quality players. And you know what, this is what you said, this is exactly what he said. When the second over finished, Maqbool, the game is done.
Match was over, unfortunately. But where have you guys travelled from?
Karachi.
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 Yeah.
लाहौर
बहुत बुरा मैच हुआ आज का.
Thank you.
मैच एक दफा दिल तो ऐसे हुआ सिर्फ मैच देखने के लिए आया हूँ 2,20,000 की ढेर ली और उधर से बैठा लाहौर से इधर होटल लिया 15,000 रुपये रोज पे आज ना दिल टूट गया इससे अलावा ना और
बहुत ही बुरा परफॉर्मेंस है. कहाँ से आए हैं?
English.
कहाँ से आए हैं?
I am from Sri Lanka. English. Can you speak in English?
Yeah. What did you think about the match?
I think if you see the entire World Cup, India is far ahead compared to Pakistan because even T20, even World Cup, even Asia Cup. So matches India is still dominant. I really appreciate the way Ishan Kishan the way he played, the way he attacked the ball at Shine, especially in the power play. He took the risk and he played high-class innings from high-class player. The way he attacked, actually Pakistan got backwards. 175 is a gettable score. I think Pakistan, whenever they play against India, their mindset is always going to lose.
No, I think currently it's also a talent issue as far as the Pakistani side is concerned because this doesn't look like a side that can trouble India beyond a certain point. कहाँ से आए सर आप?
Yes, actually, I am a Sri Lankan. I came to here to see the.
How did you like the match?
I really love it, and then I just came to see Abhishek Sharma. Unfortunately, got out and the power hitting is started by Sri Lankans, Sanat Jayasuri and Little Kalavith, and I want to repeat that by Indians. Unfortunately, I miss Abhishek Sharma, but
Happy over.
happy always.
All right, let's also go across to some of our guests joining us. Deeptas Gupta is with us and also Rakesh Rao. My colleague is also joining us from another hotspots in the national capital. Deep, I'm sorry to say if this is going to be the Pakistani performance, in the biggest build match in the World Cups, this is not going to work out. I mean, this rivalry cannot be sustained anymore or the high-pitched battle cannot be sustained anymore if this is the Pakistani side that turns up.
Which is so true, Shivani. I mean, listen, the whole idea is of any rivalry is the competitiveness of that rivalry. It stops being a rivalry when it becomes a one-side affair. Even though the last few games have been quite close, again this one, I guess tactically they got a lot of things wrong there. I mean, we spoke about it in the pre-match show about winning the toss and electing to field first. I thought straight away from there on. A couple of other decisions in terms of bowling changes and all of that. I mean, two left-handers playing and you get a leg spinner on instead of Saim Ayub or maybe even Tariq for that matter. I mean, those things, they hurt you and they've hurt Pakistan. I mean, obviously we spoke about the difference in terms of the quality between the quality of these two sides. We knew that. We knew that from before the game in the last few years. There's a lot of difference in terms of quality, but with that difference in mind, you can't make tactical errors like that. And I think both of those things accounted for this sort of a mismatch.
Yeah, and Rakesh, when I was inside, not just Pakistani journalists, but a lot of the fans here, they're like, इससे अच्छा था तो boycott ही कर लेते. इस तरह से हारने से तो अच्छा है, you should have just boycotted the match.
I'm not surprised. Just, Shivani, just imagine being a Pakistani fan these days. It's so difficult. I mean, on the field, off the field, you are repeatedly embarrassed you are repeatedly embarrassed through no fault of yours. It's like, you hear, it's almost, like you feel that, oh my God, why are we even getting to play India? Yes, every time there is a contest between these two countries, it turns out to be a no contest. In the sense that the result doesn't go in the favor of a Pakistani fan because he puts in so much emotionally as well. So, I mean, imagine Indians are equally emotional, and against a side, if we were to be, hammered day in and day out, we would feel the same way. But yes, today it turned out to be a no contest because once Ishan got going and the way Hardik struck in the very first over, getting rid of that big guy, personally, I was very happy because I took these two names. Ishan dictated the pace of the match there, and then of course Hardik came. He started with the downfall and he ended the entire Pakistani innings. So starting off with Hardik, ending with Hardik, and of course what Ishan had to do, he just did it. It was like, Pakistan was it was left devastated. After they got Abhishek, nothing went right for them. That first ball 6 of Shaheen Afridi, and thereafter it was India all the way.
Yeah, I mean, so much. How many times have we seen this happening? There's so much talk about one player, and it's entirely another player that comes and does the job. So much was talked about Abhishek Sharma ahead of this match. He went out for a duck, but it was his opening partner Ishan Kishan that actually delivered the goods. But I will talk about Indian batting in just a bit. The problem here is Deep that I think there is a talent deficit in this side as well. Whether it's Salman Agha's captaincy, you talked about tactical mistakes, putting India to bat first after winning a toss, the bowling changes, his own performance, for example, one down, is he really working for Pakistan at that? You get Babar Azam back, is he really working for you? Why is he back? Questions will be asked. And so many others, their entire squad, playing 11, there's a lot of question marks on this team. And at this rate, if India and Pakistan are to play against each other, I think India can field a second team. India can field a second string team to take on Pakistan because this is not turning out to be a contest.
Siani, I honestly hope there is more talent in Pakistan. I would like to believe there is more talent in Pakistan. But you're right. I mean, looking at that batting order, and we've been talking about the batting order as well. Once you get 175, which is above par or at par, you need a good batting side to chase that down. And when you look at Babar at 4 and then you have the all-rounders coming after that, that just tells you the depth in batting. I mean, number 5 was keeper, and then the all-rounders in there. I would honestly like to believe there is more talent there. I know a couple of guys that I've seen a little bit play, someone like Hassan Nawaz and guys like that. There's got to be more talent there, and especially this format, T20 format. So, yeah, disappointing. But then it was also going to be that way. We all knew that India is a far superior side. But yeah, I was personally expecting a lot more fight, to be fair. But then 175, and both Rakesh and you mentioned about Ishan Kishan, I think he just batted beautifully. He just took the game away. I mean, you can see the difference between him and everyone else, whether it's an Indian batter or Pakistani batter. That innings of 77, if I'm not wrong, was the differentiator between these two teams. And obviously the first 2 overs, both Hardik and obviously Jasprit Bumrah, a couple of wickets in his over as well.
Yes. Can I just say, when Pakistan was bowling, one was wondering what is Shaheen Shah Afridi doing in this side, or if at all he's the bowler that he is, and whether Pakistan needs to move on from him. But I think Shaheen Shah Afridi deserves to be in this side just on his batting prowess, because